Want to see your affiliate earnings skyrocket? Well, I'm going to show you how to supercharge those pretty links using some smart tracking magic. Ready to level up? Let's go. Monster Insight makes tracking pretty link clicks in Google Analytics a breeze. You'll see your top affiliates, your visitor behavior, split test links, and optimize your campaigns and a ton more, and see the data right on your WordPress dashboard. Now, the first step is to just install and activate Monster Insights on your WordPress site. Monster Insights has both a free and a variety of premium versions as well. With Monster Insights Lite, well, you can get basic pretty links tracking, but if you want to see that report right on your WordPress dashboard, then you'll need to upgrade to a Plus or higher plan. And install one of our premium plugins, you'll just need to choose your license level on the pricing page. And once you've made your purchase, you'll find the plugin and your activation key in the Downloads tab inside your Monster Insights account. Now, setup just couldn't be simpler. You don't even have to worry about inserting any tracking code on your site. The easy-to-follow setup wizard is going to guide you step by step, and you'll have it all set up and connected to Google Analytics with just a few clicks. Now, if you need a little help, then just check out our post on how to add Google Analytics to WordPress the right way. I'll leave a link in the description. Now, once Monster Insights is up and running, well, you'll just need to set up your pretty links. So to do that, just go to Insights, and then to Settings, and then to Publisher, and then to Affiliate Links. Now, if you use the Monster Insights Setup Wizard, it's going to ask you to set up your affiliate links during the setup process. Now, under the path field, well, you can enter the prefix that you used in Pretty Links when you're shortening your URL. For example, go or refer. Now, this is going to help you keep your links separate from other external links. Now, in the label field, it's going to help you see where the click came from. So, for example, you can add AFF for affiliate links, and they'll all appear as like outbound link AFF in Google Analytics. This is going to show that one of your visitors clicked on an affiliate link that you've shortened using Pretty Links. Now, if you're using Monster Insights Plus or above, well, you can decide how you want your affiliate report to look. So underneath the settings box that we just looked at, you're going to find an option where you can select how you want Monster Insights to track your links, so you can use the target URL or the Pretty Link URL. Now, if you're using Monster Insights Plus or above, well, you'll be able to see the top affiliate links report by going to Insights and then to Reports, and finally to Publishers. If you're using Monster Insights Lite, or you just want to see more data on your affiliate links inside Google Analytics, be sure to check out this video where I show you how to view your affiliate link tracking report in Google Analytics. I'll see you in the next one.